Follow these steps to install VN1 Escutcheon Trim indicators. The example shown demonstrates a thumb turn by cylinder function, although the process for other functions will be similar. Before installing the indicators, verify they are handed correctly and confirm the indicator rotates smoothly. Also, confirm the lock is unlocked prior to installation. With the door properly prepared for the VN1 escutcheon and the mortise lock installed, slide the outside lever and escutcheon assembly through the door and lock body. Next, thread the cylinder into the lock until it is flush with the escutcheon surface. Pull the key slightly out of the cylinder to help thread into the lock body. Tighten the cylinder clamp screw. To install the inside trim, slide the spindle into the lock body. Next, slide the adapter and plate assembly over the spindle. Secure with the two number 8 32 5/8" screws. Align the escutcheon over the adapter and thumb turn spindle into the lock hub. Using the number 8 32 2¼ through bolt screws, secure the inside escutcheon to the outside escutcheon. Install the inside lever onto the adapter plate and secure with the set screw. Tighten the lock body screws. Attach the outside front using the two number 8 32 1/4" flathead screws. Finally, perform a functional check. The installation is complete.